Third and final meeting between these two sides underway as Northern Colorado begins their pursuit of history. But King wins it back upfield. Here's Ammon, looking for number 15. Decent look early on for the Golden Boot leader. Errant back pass that time, and it falls for King. Here's Billy King. Looking for Ammon across. Sabella, and can't squeak it in at the near post. High arcing cross. Delgado gets a paw to it, and it falls for Belmar. Hornsby tees it up once more. Point blank header from Fitch, and it's just right at Delgado. Simon Fitch, it was just him and the goalkeeper. Fitch can't. Hornsby. Links with Sierakowski and now has room. Here's Michael Hornsby. Low cross, and it trickles into the back of the net. Unclear whether it'll be an own goal or be credited to Terzaghi, but either way, the Richmond Kickers take a 1-0 lead on the road. And it starts with the interplay between Sierakowski and Hornsby, and I believe that's going to be an own goal. It looks like it deflected off Leo Fola. Take a look from another angle. Vinyals tries, and a decent stop from Delgado there. And canvassing, so to speak, the new Northern Colorado Hailstorm 4th kits are being worn tonight and are on full display. Here's Norty. It falls for Dietrich. Here's the outswinger. It's driven low, floats across the face of goal, and evades everyone in orange. This one's right off the training ground. It's an outswinger. You see Ammon flick it on, and Sabella was mere steps away from equalizing. Terzaghi gets a touch to it. Now Vinyals' cross. It falls for Ani, and just right at Delgado. Lukic last year signing in early February. Hernandez a major chance, and it actually trickles behind. So Rogers will take another Meadow Gold corner kick. Right into the heart of the area, and it's headed home. There's the equalizer. And it's Lucky Oprah with his first goal this season for the Hailstorm. Terrific outswinger from Rogers. Oprah rises like a salmon dressed in pink and finishes it off as the Hailstorm fight back level at home. Pinpoint delivery and popped free by Ani. Now here's the goal scorer, Oprah. That is excellent bit of footwork. Still Oprah, and wins his side of corner. Hernandez has gotten his goal sound played. Now Ammon wins it back. Here's Ammon, and what a stop by Fitzgerald. It's a terrific save. You see Ammon wins it back in the press. Fitzgerald off his line, a terrific kick save. At the hour mark, the tide of this match is completely flipped. Lukic, tricky ball for Hernandez, and narrowly misses the far post. Oh, another major chance. Cheeky back heel from Lukic, and Hernandez, having him healthy and back in the 11 is something Coach Sawatsky undoubtedly loves. Vinyals rushes to the byline, chips in for Bentley. Had Delgado off his line, but couldn't quite steer that on target. Finds Bentley in space. He's got support from Fitch. Back and forth we go. Now Billy King with space. Darting to the byline. Good cross. Finds Ammon. Trevor Ammon. and it's poked over the line. Third time's the charm for Marky Hernandez. The Hailstorm lead. Pure chaos. King's cross finds Ammon. A ton of deflections, and Marky Hernandez with the cat-like reflexes to poke it over the goal line.
Goal scored in the 72nd minute.
Was a super sub last season for Northern Colorado. Moran for Gamiro. Gamiro tees one up. It was an enticing effort. Still with time to change that though. Here's Vignal's delivery. Once again, just unable to find a man in gray in the box here. Now Powder pings it forward for King. He's got orange shirts ahead as well. Billy King, another sensational finish from the Scotsman. A magician from outside the box may have just put the nail in the coffin tonight. Billy King with goal number 6 of the season. An unbelievable curling finish on the counterattack. And Northern Colorado may be well and truly on their way to history. Northern Colorado makes history. A 12th consecutive match unbeaten for the first time in USL League One history.